F-2 in Carteret. The guys were here the other day and they redid all the sidewalk from here all the way down and around the corner. So we'll go look at that in a second. But they did this little slope here for the patio, and we've got the concrete. There's a lot of concrete we use. It's pretty expensive. So you've got the pad for the shed back there, the pad for the house with the piers going down beyond the frost line, and then we redid this lady's front walkway. I think this was much more down at an angle. It's really beautiful. Great look. Let's follow it out. And that was a lot of yardage of concrete. So that's the old sidewalk, and now you've got all this new sidewalk. This looks great. It's totally different quality. It feels really different than what they used to use in the 1940s and 50s. So stay tuned. If you're interested in this house, this is going to be a 2-bedroom, 1-bath at lot F2 in Carteret Mobile Park in Carteret, New Jersey. We're in Middlesex County, right next to the Turnpike and the Parkway and Route 9 and Route 1. It's a fabulous place to live. So email us at info@dolanhomes.com or check out our website, myhomeincarteret.com.